Good morning, all of you. We will see from question number 4 onwards. Make sentences like the ones below. You have to make sentences the way it is given in examples. We will see first example. They wear a lot of clothes in winter. So, how we will make answer? A lot of clothes are worn in winter. If you see answer carefully, it has been taken from the question itself. A lot of clothes, a lot of clothes. Here we have read are worn in winter. Be careful of change in the verb. Here you can see where it has changed into worn. It is the present form of the verb and it is the past participle form of the verb. It is already given in your active English textbooks. You can see there also. Now let's see question number B. They make a lot of radios in Japan. So what will be the answer? A lot of radios are made in Japan. If we see question number D, they grow a lot of coconuts in Malaysia. Here there is typing mistake. It should be Malaysia. Then what will be the answer here? A lot of coconuts are grown in Malaysia. Again I am repeating the answer. A lot of coconuts are grown in Malaysia. If we see question number H, they make a lot of furniture in that factory. So what will be the answer? A lot of furniture is made in that factory. Again I am repeating the answer. A lot of furniture is made in that factory. Like this you all have to try. Now let's see question number 5. Make sentences like the ones below. Someone has stolen the money. So the answer will be the money has been stolen. Another example, someone has broken the windows. Then the answer will be the windows have been broken. Be careful of use of has and have here. Okay, we use has with singular subject and have with plural subject including I and you. So let's see question number C. Someone has dug a hole. Then the answer will be a hole has been dug. If we see question number F, someone has lost a purse. Then the answer will be a purse has been lost. Hope I am clear on this. Now if we see question number 6, that is you have to add is, are, was, were, has or have. All these are helping verbs. You have to fill it accordingly. Now question number 7, practice this conversation. You have to just practice it. We see here instead of the window is broken, the first pupil can begin the conversation with one of the sentences. You all can practice at your home. The glass is broken, the door is locked, the pen is sold. All of you please do practice as it is very important. Let's see question number 8. These sentences are in the wrong order. Which sentence should be the first? Which should be the second? Which should be the third? Which should be the fourth? Read them aloud in the right order. What you have to do? You have to arrange the sentences in a sequence. Okay? You have to arrange the sentences in sequence. That which one will come at first and which one will come at second place. Hope you all can do it. You can see a very beautiful aeroplane.